Hello, I'm Design Guy. Want to make your photos pop with a cool black and white out of frame effect? Let's go. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter any dimensions you want. Next, go to Look for a family photo element, select it, then choose your photos to add. Select this photo and enlarge it slightly to fit better within the desired frame. Design allows resizing and shows the image dimensions for precise adjustments. Set width to 1000 and height to 648. Then click Resize and choose Custom Size. Change the value to 648, click the check mark, then click Copy and Resize. Open the image in your tabs. Resize it to fit the entire design. This is how to fit the image into your layout. Next, duplicate the image to use it elsewhere in your design. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, then click Edit, go to Filters, and look for the desired filter. Adjust the tone to create a black and white background. Send it to the back. In the original image, crop the picture here to achieve the desired framing. You can add a stroke style and apply a border to your design element here. This is the final result. Click Share to download or save your project for future use. Select PDF Print for best results and use CMYK for professional quality printing. Then click Download. Now you can create awesome black and white backgrounds with out-of-frame effects in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.